How to recover a deleted Facebook page and reactivate it if it's still available for restoration. First, open the Facebook app or website and sign into the account that manages the page. Next, open the menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Now, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and select Pages. Here, Facebook will display any pages that are currently eligible for reactivation. If you see the page you want to recover, simply tap Reactivate and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the process is complete, your page will become active again. If your page doesn't appear in this list, it may have been permanently deleted, or the recovery period may have already expired. In that case, Facebook doesn't provide a way to restore it. And that's it. That's how you can recover a deleted Facebook page. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Facebook tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.